Welcome to Getting Started with MTA Web Services. This video will walk you through adding yourself to the waitlist and registering from a waitlisted course. If you're unable to register for a course because it is already full, most courses have a waitlist option in case an enrolled student drops the course. Sign in to self-service. On the left panel under Academics, select Register for Classes. In this case, we are adding ourselves on the waitlist for VMCS 1201. Since we're aware of the course code, we can simply type that in the search bar. If you need detailed instructions on searching for a course, please watch our episode on searching for courses and adding it to the schedule. Next, we identify the course we want to waitlist ourselves and see the View Available section. Now you will see all the sections available for VMCS 1201. If you click on VMCS 1201 in blue, you can find details about the waitlist. You can spot the warning waitlist sign indicating that this section has a waitlist. Also, you can find the total seats available as well as the number of students waitlisted. Now add VMCS 1201 to the schedule by clicking on the blue button, Add Section to the Schedule. Next, on the left panel under Academics, select Register for Courses. Here, you will see a schedule and a side panel on the left displaying the selected courses. Be sure to select the appropriate term using the arrow key under the Schedule heading. If a course has a waitlist instead of a blue Register button, you will see a blue Waitlist button. Click on the Waitlist button and your name will be added to the waitlist. Note, waitlists are not available for lab or tutorials. You can confirm the waitlist via the Print button above the schedule. You can also see the status of VMCS 1201 as waitlisted. If you no longer wish to be waitlisted for a course, please remove yourself from the waitlist by selecting the blue Drop Waitlist button from your registration schedule. Monitor your @mta.ca email regularly for notice of an opportunity to register. If you're offered a seat in a course for which you're waitlisted, you will receive an email to your @mta.ca account from the registrar's office, granting a 48-hour period for you to register. Once you receive this email, you must follow the same steps as you normally do to register for a course. We will go to Register for Classes. Next, we will select the correct term. In this example, we will look at the spring-summer schedule. To register from a waitlist, click the blue button, Register. Now you're registered from a waitlisted course. Again, note that there is no waitlisting for lab sections. If a course is open, you must select a lab section which is also open. If a course with lab or tutorial is waitlisted, you should wait for the course alone. You do not need to take any actions regarding the lab or tutorial until you're offered a spot in the course, at which time you will have an opportunity to register for the lab or tutorial. Now you know how to add yourself on the waitlist and register from a waitlisted course. Please watch the next videos in the series for more services provided through your student network account.